Hello my dear kids, how are you? Fine? Good. Yesterday we learned common names and special names. So after completing that, we complete our English grammar first chapter, that is naming words. So let us quickly revise it. What are naming words? Naming words are names of person, place, animal and things. Right? And what are special names and common names? So special names are names that we use when we talk about only one person, place, animal or thing. And when there are more than one person, place, animal and thing, at that time we use common names. Okay, so this was about our first chapter of English grammar. Now again we will start with the with the textual portion of your English literature part, that is chapter number 3, the animal kingdom. I hope that you all might have listened to stories that have animals, है ना. आप सबने वो सारी स्टोरीज सुनी होगी जिसमें एनिमल्स होते हैं. एट द एंड ऑफ सच स्टोरीज वी ऑलवेज लर्न समथिंग, है ना. जब ये स्टोरीज हम सुनते हैं तो उसमें से हमें कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. लाइक आई होप दैट यू हैव लिसन टू अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ रैबिट एंड अ tortoise. Yes, in which there is a competition, there is a running race between rabbit and tortoise. Initially rabbit को ये लगता है कि that the tortoise is very slow, so फिर वो रेस हार जाएगा. So in that over confidence what rabbit did, he slept, है ना. वो एक ट्री के नीचे सो गया. लेकिन क्या हुआ, फिर वो लेट हुआ एंड द tortoise slowly लेकिन he won the race, right. So from this story we learn that never underestimate the weaker person. यानी कि अगर कोई हमसे वीक है, हमसे कमज़ोर है, तो हमें ऐसा नहीं मानना चाहिए कि वो कोई भी कंपटीशन या फिर हमसे कभी भी आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता, है ना. यस. देन सेकेंड स्टोरी, द स्टोरी ऑफ अ थर्स्टी क्रो, in which that we learn that from story of thirsty crow that अगर आप कुछ चाहते हो करने को, मतलब if you want to do something then you will definitely do it. यानी कि अगर आपने कुछ ठान लिया है कि मुझे ये करना ही है, then you can do everything. That is where there is a will, there is a way. Okay. Yes, so our third chapter, the animal kingdom, is also a story of a little chicken, that is baby of a hen. Okay. Yes. So let us start our to page number 31. That is chapter 3, the animal kingdom. So in this chapter we are going to learn phonics with short e sound, in grammar portion capital letters, in reading portion the sky is falling, in vocabulary rhyming words, in writing portion about the story, and in poetry this little chick. Okay, so first of all let us start with our phonic, that is of short e sound. Okay, so in notebook you have to write chapter number 3, the animal kingdom, CW, today's date, and heading phonic short e words. Okay, yes. So now let us start with short e words. Now first of all, what is sound of short e? The sound of short e is a. It is a. The sound of short e is a. यानी कि जब भी हम जो वर्ड्स देखेंगे उसमें जो ई होगा उसका साउंड होगा ए. ओके. Yes. So now let us start with the words. So the first word is E double G. That is egg. Egg. E double G, egg. Here you can note that the sound of E is A. That is egg. Then second word L E G, leg. Leg. L E G, leg. Then P E T, P E T, pet. P E T, pet. Here you can note that sound of E is A. So pet. Then N E T, net. N E T, net. N E T, net. Then J E T, jet. J E T, jet. Then M E N, men. M E N, men. Then T E N, ten. T E N, ten. That you know. Okay, 10. Then H E hen, N, hen. H E N, hen. H E N, hen. So here you can note that sound of E is A. That is hen. Then P E N, pen. P E N, pen. This is pen. P E N, pen. And the last word is S M E double L. That is smell. S M E double L, smell. Smell. So let us revise once again. E double G, egg. L E G, leg. This is pet. P E T, pet. N E T, net. J E T, jet. M E N, man. T E N, ten. H E N, hen. P E N, pen. And S M E double L, smell. Okay. So the sound of short E is A. Okay. So you have to write these 10 words in your 1A notebook. आपको ये जो 10 मैंने आपको words करवाए हैं, that you have to write in your 1A notebook. Now talking about your homework portion. So your homework is on page number 31, that is the getting started activity. In this, join the dots to complete the pictures. Color them, read their names aloud. So here what you have to do is you have to trace these dots and complete this picture and then color it. Okay. Now let us see what this picture are. This is acorn, chicken, this is duck, this is fox, this is hen. Okay. So this is your homework portion for today.